Alright, let's imagine this. You wake up and the world has changed. No smartphones, no GPS, and definitely no Google Maps. Maybe you're on the run from zombies. Or maybe it's just a really intense camping trip gone wrong. Either way, you need to find your way, and fast. That's where a simple homemade compass could literally save the day. Let's build one right now using only stuff you might find lying around. First up, you need something metal and magnetic. The classic move, a sewing needle. If you can't find one, a straightened paper clip works. Or a razor blade can work too, just make sure it's steel. Next, you gotta magnetize it. If you have an actual magnet, lucky you. Stroke it along the needle 10 to 15 times in one direction. No magnet? No worries. Grab some fabric, like your shirt, and rub the needle hard against it for a few minutes. Feeling bold? If you've got a little fire, heat the needle for a few seconds. Then let it cool while aligned north-south. The heat helps realign the atoms. Now, the fun part, floating your makeshift compass. Find a leaf, a tiny piece of cork, or even a scrap of plastic, anything that floats. Place your needle on top. If it keeps rolling off, poke it through the leaf or tape it gently. Then, drop your creation in a cup of water, or a puddle, or even a bottle cap full of water. Give it a second. The needle will swing around and settle, pointing north-south. Now here's the crucial bit. The needle doesn't tell you which end is north, so remember which way the sun rises, east in the morning, and west in the evening. Use that to figure out which end of the needle is which. Let's recap. All you need is a sliver of steel, a way to magnetize it, something that floats, and some water. In just a few minutes, you've built a survival tool explorers have used for centuries. So next time you're lost, surrounded by chaos, or just showing off at the next backyard campout, remember, a little science can point you in the right direction. Literally. Stay curious, stay safe, and happy exploring.